Hey there, I build websites that help service-based businesses get noticed and grow fast. If you're offering services like landscaping, plumbing, cleaning, or home repair, your website should be doing more than just sitting there. It should be bringing in leads while you sleep. Today, I want to show you how a simple website redesign made a massive impact for one of my landscaping clients. This is the story of Greenscape Solutions. When they came to me, they had a slow, outdated site with no clear message and almost zero visibility on search engines. I rebuilt everything from scratch: clean layout, SEO-rich service pages, compelling calls to action, and a mobile-friendly gallery to highlight their best work. The result? In just 8 weeks, they saw a 40% jump in quote requests. And now, their website isn't just a digital business card, it's a 24/7 sales tool. But landscaping is just one example. I've helped plumbers streamline bookings with fast loading sites. I've worked with cleaning companies to showcase services, pricing, and testimonials in a way that builds instant trust. Home repair pros? We build designs that spotlight reliability and experience. Even beauty and wellness providers have seen the difference a strategic website can make. Each industry has its own rhythm, and I tailor the design to match your client's expectations and search habits. Your website isn't something you set and forget. It's your online storefront, your credibility builder, your silent salesperson. Whether you're just starting out or you've been in business for years, I'll help you turn your site into a true growth engine. If you run a service-based business and you're ready to elevate your online presence, check out my profile. Links in the description and the first comment. Let's build something powerful together. Don't just compete, stand out.